Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uptodown website provide you new as well as old version of the any type of the website. And number second advantage is there is 0% risk. Come to the PC and laptop. How to use the Uptodown website? Open the Google Chrome and type the Uptodown for the window and click on it and then click on the first link, and this is the main page of the Uptodown website. The best advantage is available here. You can download a software for the window, and you can download any type of software for the Apple, and you can download any type of software for the Android. This is the huge website. I want to download a internet download manager. Click on the search icon and type the internet download manager, and then click on the internet download manager, and you can check the security and virus of the internet download manager before downloading. This is the main advantage. Click on the security option, and this is the security reports, and then click on the VirusTotal button. Click on it. It will show the full reports about the internet download manager. So this is the reports about the internet download manager. It check and undetect all types of virus. So it's mean this website, Uptodown website, is very safe. You can see here, this is the latest version of the internet download manager, also available on the Uptodown website, and there are old version of the internet download manager are also available on the Uptodown website. For the downloading, click on the latest version button, and then scroll down again, and then click on the download button. So you can see here the download will start. Depend upon your internet. Click on the start download. This is the download of the internet download manager. So in short, Uptodown website is safe and legal. So if you have any question about the Uptodown website, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.